Sarah's van died in a Colorado blizzard with her 3 kids inside. No heat, no hope. Then Jack Reeves appeared, an ex-Navy SEAL who said, "Come with me." He took them to his cabin, gave them warmth and safety. On Christmas, he offered Sarah a job at a security company. What she didn't know, Jack had been watching over them for weeks through a veterans assistance program. Her late husband had served, and Jack couldn't let his family fall through the cracks. Years later, they married. Sometimes salvation comes unexpected. A stranger in a storm who becomes family.